Now we will discuss about how to construct a second page, that is nothing but about us. We'll go back to pages here, select about us page. Okay, so about us page has been selected. What we will do, we will take this header type here to a title only, so that only about us will be shown here, and we'll change it to title to heading, or we'll keep it as a title only. Okay, then about us is okay. Then we will add, for example, we need to write about something about ourselves, right? To write this one, what we will do, we'll go to insert, we'll select now collapsible text. Collapsible text, how it will work, will show collapsible text. Here top, we will make it as a about us. So two times it will be used if I'm using heading here also, so that we will do, we will delete this particular section. Okay, header we will delete. Okay, we'll delete a header. We'll delete a header. How we have been deleted here, left hand side we selected a header, delete header, deleted. Okay, about us here. Now we will write about ourselves. We already written here. We will take that, copy, control C, control V, and extra is there, backspace. Okay, now we have been written about ourselves. Okay, if you like to change the format, you can utilize these things to change the format, to change the size of the text, everything. Once you have been, about us will be collapsible is nothing but, if they are click on this, it will be shown, otherwise it will not be shown. If you go into preview, you can see, if someone click on this arrow mark, it will show about us, otherwise it will not be showing anything. Okay, this is what collapsible text is. Exit preview. Then one more thing I would like to give in a about us page, that is nothing but a team. Okay, to add a team, what we will select, which layout we will select, we will select this particular layout to add a team. Selected. Now we'll select an image from here. I'm just showing one image uploading. For all you have to do same thing. Select from drive. Recent. You can select any one. For demo purpose, I'm using this one. Then you can say here text, in the sense his name you can write. For example, here we have been taken a name. Control C, Control V. Then you can change this one to a subheading, so that it will be having little bit better. Again, similarly, like this, subheading. Again here, subheading. Like this we can change it to a any of the format, so that it will be look better. Okay, we'll give one comma, so that their name and their designation has been given here. Okay, so this is the way we can tell about our team. So how can they come to know that our team it is? Now that is a question. So we need to add one text. So we'll select here text box. We'll add here like a title. now title heading, that is nothing but a team. Okay, we have been written. We need to take it to on a top right. We'll select here, select this particular dots, you have to select and take it here. You can see that blue color mark, it's nothing but in between we are going to insert. We are going to insert in between. Yes, yes, team. Okay, like this it will be. If you are going to preview, we'll come to know how it will look. About us. Okay, if someone click on this button, they will able to read all about your company details, and teams will be shown here, all the name with the image. If they click on a home page, it will be taken to a home page like this. Okay, if they click on a about us, it will be taken here. If they click on here, it will be expanded or it will be collapsed. Okay, so we have been learned about us, along with we have been learned about a different layout, this layout, and adding a text box, moving that one, and collapsible text also we have been learned. In the sense, I am going to show you how can we optimally use the all the options available in a Google Sites. Okay, this about us page construction. Next we will learn about a product or service page construction.